CANopen Logxaminer is a PC software running on Windows. No CAN interface is required. It is used for analysis of log files for CANopen and CANopen FD networks and can handle a wide range of log file formats. It can also handle very large log files. In this tech brief video, I give an introduction to the software and provide an overview of its functionality. CANopen Logxaminer is a high-performance log file analysis tool. It can import a variety of log file formats and provide a high-level CANopen interpretation of the contents. This interpretation can then be exported to Excel and from there included in test reports and documentation. Once analysed, we can view various statistics showing the performance of the network as a whole and of individual nodes. This allows for a detailed view of what is happening and helps to identify any problem areas. CANopen Logxaminer can handle log files that contain up to 1 million messages. Files of that size are impractical for a person to manually look through and find problems. Some level of automation and intelligence is required. To help with this, CANopen Logxaminer contains an understanding of the CANopen protocol and various CANopen application profiles. It looks for common problem areas based on the many years of experience that EmSA has built up from working on client projects. Let's take a quick look at analysing a log file. The first thing we can see is that the log file has been imported and interpreted into CANopen. Many CAN interface vendors include free software that allows logging of a bus but does not interpret the messages, making them hard to understand. Nobody likes looking at lists of endless hexadecimal values. We can clearly see from this interpretation that there are some bootup messages and PDOs. And the status window tells us that this file contains 1,687 messages. We can view the timestamps in relative mode and see the timings between messages. For example, this message occurred 3,461 milliseconds after the previous emergency message. Scrolling through the messages, we can see that there are further bootups and some SDOs. Now let's analyse the file to obtain further details of what it contains. Two new windows have been opened. The first contains a set of events, and this is generated from the built-in intelligence to look for things that might be useful, important, or potentially wrong. Immediately we can see that there are bootup messages and SDO server aborts. The SDO server aborts are highlighted in red. The second window contains the statistics for the network and for the individual nodes. Initially, the view is of the entire network, and we can see that the maximum message rate for all three nodes is shown in this bar chart here. We can also see a graph of the bus load and a pie chart showing the various message types that appeared on the network. We can now drill down and view statistics for an individual node. Now displayed are the heartbeat times. In this case, no heartbeats were transmitted. SDO response times are the number of various SDO message types. The table on the left contains further details on the performance of this node. There is more functionality to CANopen Logxaminer than I've shown in this introductory video, and I will cover those in more detail in further videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when they become available, along with videos on our other products. Thank you.